So today I'll be showing you how to make phone calls and also how to receive phone calls on your Apple Watch Ultra. Now this also works for the Apple Watch Series 8, and you can make and receive phone calls with or without a cellular Apple Watch. Now the only difference between a cellular and a GPS Apple Watch is with a GPS Apple Watch, you'll always need your phone close by. So it could be in your pocket, maybe you don't want to reach in your pocket, or in your backpack when you're riding, hiking, or doing whatever you're doing. Your iPhone has to be close by to be able to make and receive phone calls on the Apple Watch. If you have a cellular Apple Watch that is activated, then you can go ahead and leave your iPhone behind and simply just go with your Apple Watch, and you can go ahead and make and receive phone calls on your Apple Watch having left your iPhone behind. And that of course is after setting up your cellular plan on your Apple Watch. Now for this one, this is the Apple Watch Ultra. These ones are all cellular, but the only problem I have personally is I don't have a carrier in my country that supports the cellular for Apple Watch. So if I go to settings and then go to mobile data, you can see I don't have a SIM in there. I can't even tap on that to do anything. And if I go to my iPhone and launch the Apple Watch application and then go to mobile data, as you can see, that is grayed out. And that's because in my country, the carriers we have do not support cellular plans on the Apple Watch. So that means I have to carry my iPhone around. Now, having said that, to make phone calls on your Apple Watch, simply press the crown button and that will bring up the main menu. Find the phone application, tap on it, and this reflects everything on your iPhone. So if you go to favorites, you should find your favorite contacts there. If you go into recents, you can find your recent calls and missed calls. You can go back, and if you go into contacts, you can find your whole contact list from your iPhone. So find the person you want to call. I'll just go into recents and call my office phone. So this is my office phone right here. This one is my normal phone, which I've connected to the Apple Watch. So to make a phone call, simply tap on that contact, just like you would on your iPhone. And as you can see, the phone is ringing, and the person on the other end can simply pick up and you can start chatting, as you can hear. So as you've seen, you're able to make a phone call through the Apple Watch. And of course, the Apple Watch has microphones and speakers, so you can use the loudspeaker on your Apple Watch to talk. Also, if you've connected AirPods or headphones to the Apple Watch, then you can use those to communicate in your phone call. And once you finish with your phone call, you can hang it up right from the Apple Watch itself. So that's how you can make a call. Now, just to be clear once again, for this to happen, if you have a GPS Apple Watch, then you need your iPhone close by, either in your pocket or in your backpack or within at least Bluetooth proximity. If you have the cellular version of the Apple Watch and you've activated your cellular plan on the Apple Watch, then you can leave this behind and you can make direct calls to people on their phones using your Apple Watch without needing your iPhone close by. Now, you can also make phone calls on your Apple Watch Ultra and other Apple Watches using Siri. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the keyword is activated. And to do that, simply go into the main menu and then go to settings. And then under settings, scroll down until you get to Siri. And then make sure listen for Hey Siri is activated, as you can see. And once you do that, you can simply make phone calls with your voice. For instance, Hey Siri, call my Airtel 4G.
Calling my Airtel 4G.
There you go. The phone call goes through, the recipient receives, and you can speak either through loudspeaker and microphone or through connected earbuds or headphones. Now, let me show you how to receive phone calls on your Apple Watch. The same rules apply. So let's say you're out walking or cycling or jogging and you don't really want to reach for your phone and someone calls you, this is what you'll see on the Apple Watch. So as you can see, there is a phone call coming in. And again, if this is a GPS Apple Watch, then your phone has to be close by for this to happen. If it's a cellular Apple Watch that's activated, you don't need this. You can go directly and pick up the phone call on the watch. It's connected, and you can start talking. And when you're done, you can hang up just like that. So that's how to make and receive phone calls on your Apple Watch with the cellular Apple Watch or the GPS Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.